Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Place the cotton candy machine on a stable, heat-resistant table, at least 5 inches from walls or flammable items. Assemble the head, bowl, and guard according to the manufacturer. Tighten with your fingers and the included tool. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of flossing sugar per batch or 1/2 cup pre-colored sugar for multiple servings, and avoid granulated table sugar. Have 10 to 12 paper cones or 3-inch sticks ready. Prelabel cones if making multiple flavors. Plug in and keep a small metal scoop and a damp cloth nearby for spills. Preheat the machine for about 3 to 5 minutes on high so the spinner head reaches working temperature. While it warms, test a single small pinch of sugar to confirm it melts and throws fine strands. Pour sugar into the center of the heated spinner head using a small scoop or minute cup, adding only enough for 1 batch. With your free hand, hold a paper cone at a 45-degree angle and rotate it slowly around the bowl to collect floss. Rotate the cone steadily at a 45-degree angle to collect continuous strands of floss, and avoid wind strands into a loose, even cone shape, compressing gently to form a 3 to 4 inch head appropriate for 1 serving. For multiple flavors, leave a 1/2-inch gap and add a second sugar to the spinner once the first color is formed. Serve immediately. Cotton candy loses volume and becomes sticky within 15 minutes in humid air, so offer a sealed bag for takeaway. Turn off and unplug the machine, let the head cool for 10 minutes. Then remove the bowl and wipe out excess sugar before washing with warm, soapy water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.